Hi, today I want to talk to you about liver detoxification. My name is Dr. Lori Cayley. I am a functional medicine practitioner, and I help women who have thyroid conditions to reverse their thyroid conditions naturally so that they can experience optimal health and get their lives back. I made a post on Facebook about how important liver detoxification is when you are trying to reverse thyroid conditions. And someone asked me how to actually detox the liver. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. And before I actually get into that, I want to just talk about why liver detoxification is so important when you're dealing with thyroid conditions. It is important that you convert the T4 hormone to T3 hormone in your body, and 70% of T4 is converted to T3 in the liver. And T3 is necessary because that's what gives you energy, that's what increases your metabolism, that's what helps your hair to grow, it is what makes you feel good. So it's really important to make sure that you have optimal T3 levels and free T, total T3 and free T3 levels in your body. And if you haven't had those checked, it's important to get a full thyroid panel to see what your other thyroid hormones are doing besides just TSH, which is the typical hormone that's tested. So liver detoxification is important, of course, because it can, if you don't have proper detoxification, it can cause autoimmune problems. So if you have Hashimoto's, that's just another reason why you really need to pay attention to your liver detoxification. It can be involved with leaky gut and inflammation, food sensitivities, and chemical sensitivities. And what will happen when your liver is detoxing is that it will take fat soluble substances and convert them to water soluble so that they can be eliminated in the body. And that is done in two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So in phase 1, what will happen is the fat soluble substance will come into the liver. It is changed chemically to then, when it goes into phase 2, allow molecules to be added to it so that it can actually be eliminated from the body and made from fat soluble to water soluble there. So that happens in processes like sulfation and acetylation and glutathione conversion, and then in methylation. So it can then be eliminated. And there are some supplements that you can take that will help phase 1 and phase 2. So some things that you can take for phase 1 are milk thistle, gotu kola, you can take glycine and N-acetylcysteine, and for phase 2 you can take MSM, you can take betaine HCl, and you can take choline. And there are different supplement companies that you can use that have these things put in them all together for more effective detoxification. One of the first things that I do with my clients is we work on liver detoxification, because we want to make sure, as I said before, that your hormones, your thyroid hormones, are converting properly and your detox pathways are open. It's really, really important in healing when you are trying to reverse your thyroid conditions. So if you need help with this, I am actually looking for 5 women this month to work with who want to actually reverse their thyroid conditions naturally and to be able to reduce the amount of medication they're on or even eliminate it, and just get their lives back and feel like they used to feel. So if that is something that you are interested in, please just send me a DM or comment below this video, and we can talk and see if you might be a good fit to work together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please just, again, DM me, comment below. I'm happy to answer your questions as well.